Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a part 2 of how you can make your own Unblocked Games website using Google Sites. So in the last video, I went over adding slope and how to add games, and today I'm going to add Retro Bowl and go over the process of adding games, and also include how you can add a full screen button, a panic button, and some things you can do with the website. So, let's get into it. So, here, a Retro Bowl page. So I'm going to be adding Retro Bowl. So I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to inspect element. Then you want to click this little icon that my mouse is hovering over. And then you want to just click on it, and now there'll be a first HTML. So you want to, then here's the first one. Some will be HTML lang equals in quotations en or some language. Some will just be HTML. Doesn't matter. So, as long as it's Google Sites, it'll be the same format. So you want to go up. Here's first HTML. Here's a second HTML. This is what we're looking for. So we want to right-click, edit as HTML, Control A, Control C, so that will copy all the code from the game, and what will make the game run. So then go back to your website. Insert, embed code, Control V to paste it in. Next, make sure that your game shows up in this little player thingamabob. So then scale it to size, and now you have the game you want. But now, full screen. So to get full screen, I'll have a link in the description to my paste bin where it will have the code. So you just want to hit copy, and it will have a passcode. It will be in the description with the link. So you want to go back to your website, embed code, Control V. Next, insert. So now get it added to wherever you want. Now scale it to size. It's just like this. I'll have it scaled to size. Okay. So now that it's been scaled down to size, let's see. So now you have the button itself, but when you click it, it does nothing. That is because you haven't linked it to the game. So you want to go back to wherever you're getting the game from. You want to click this little icon again, click on the game. So then you want to go back up to the second HTML where you got the game code from. Then go down, and there should be a document, a hashtag document, and then a link. That is most likely, majority of the time, what you're looking for. So the trick is, look for either something that ends with an equals IG or is from a GitHub link. Then you want to right click, copy link address. Now go back to your website, edit the full screen button, and there'll be something that says enter URL here. Delete the enter URL here, keep the quotations, then Control V and paste in the link. Next, save. Now let's preview. So now if we hit play in full screen, here we are. We're now playing in full screen of the game. And since it's coming from a website that I've played on, it also saves some of my progress from it, which is even better. So then, now that you have the plain full screen, the final button I'll show is a panic button. What I recommend to do is there's a button option in inserts. Go down to it, button, name, panic button. For example, I'll just say math. Now, go to a math site of your choice. For me, I'm going to get more math. So it'll give me this website. So just copy the website and paste it where it says link. Insert. Now you have a panic button. So then you can add it. Say you're in deep trouble, a teacher's getting near, or they're viewing your screen using a software. You can click this button and it will take you to whatever website you set it to take you. So that can be really useful. So you can do it as many times as you need for all the games you have. Now you have the working website page. Then a trick, if you don't want your background to be white, you can go to the side here. Then you can delete section, duplicate section, or section colors, or you can change the color of the section. I try and keep as little white to help your eyes. So now we have fully functioning Retro Bowl. So now, to add the Retro Bowl to your home page, you want to search up Retro Bowl. Then search it up. Now find an image I like. I'll use this image. So then I'll save image as. And if you have Opera GX, you can just copy it. But here, but if you're using Chrome, or any others, to my knowledge, you have to download it. So then download it, name it something you'll know. I'll do Retro Bowl game. That's what I'll call it. So then you go over to your website, upload, and then Retro Bowl game. Now you have the game icon, double click on it to edit, but if you click on it 2 times, then insert link, Retro Bowl, apply. And you have to do the 2 clicks slowly. Down here, you can write play Retro Bowl. Okay, so now you have that done. Then up here, you can enter site name. I'll just do YouTube testing site up here. So let me space it all out. So boom, that'll be the name. So then, when you're ready, so now you have this home screen going. So up here you can make a page title, name it games, you make it whatever. Then you can go to themes over here and edit how everything is. So you can do impression, change up some game things, and make the background color different. Level, you can make everything different. Vision, make everything different. There's a whole bunch of options you can choose from. So, what I use here is level on my website that I have. So then you can have this. So then let's test and see how some of this works. So off to the side, I'll have the game stuff, and then home, go home or hit the YouTube testing site and hit play Retro Bowl, and it takes me to the Retro Bowl page. Another thing that I'm going to show you is how to get what I have here, this little logo. So you want to go to settings, navigation, you can adjust where everything is. You can make it either at the top or off to the side. You can make things transparent, white, black, whatever. All up to you. Then brand images. Here you can get a logo. You can add some text to it, like so I did spinning chip. So I'm not gonna use the color for my theme there. Then favicon image, then you can add that. Viewer tools, custom domains. If you own a domain, you can make that domain be this Google site. Analytics, you can set up a whole analytics system. The announcement banner. So then if you go up to the person with a plus, you can add people and then preview just like that. So then when you're ready, you can just hit publish. Then you can make your own web address, and it'll be under Google Sites, or you can use the custom domain. Who can view my site, you can make it anyone, or anything private, doesn't matter. Then you can request public search engines to not display the site, and yeah, that's really it. So if you enjoyed this video, leave like, subscribe, and that will be all.